Alright y'all, welcome back once again. It's Albert here. The challenge lock I have this time is called, hopefully you can see that, it's called Easy Pizzy, and it's made by Bearsback, my buddy Bearsback. He's a pretty cool guy. If you haven't checked out his videos, check him out. This is the bitting on the key. Doesn't look too horrendous, but this is actually my second round. I couldn't pick it a little while ago, so I took a break and I'm going to try it again. It does work good. I don't know what he has in here, but I can promise you that it's pretty gnarly. I am going to use my little kick holder here. Little thumb screw on the back. People were interested in this little holder that I've been using. It's just one that I got when I bought some used locks. All I did was I was using this thing. I modified. I took it was a handlebar bracket for like a GoPro type camera. I just rigged it to this block of tube metal, and I used to hold that in my vise and put the kick cylinders in here. But as you can see, this part right here, it used to have another one of these thumb screw deals. So I stole it off of there, and I put a screw through it that fit in the back here. Then I can just slap the cylinders in here, thumb screw it on. Of course, I cut it a little short, so I only have to screw it in a couple of threads, like so, and then it holds the cylinders. It's really cool. Alright, let's get into this. Or hopefully. I think I can use this little guy in the bottom. Yep, that's a cool idea there. That I was turned on to that by Trekmaster 30. Basically, you just take a key and grind the heck out of it until all you have is basically the bottom part of a key. I could have left a bigger stub on the end, but I may make another one. But that's all it is, the bottom of a key, of a Schlage key. Okay. Yeah, thank you Trekmaster 30 for that idea. He's also another very awesome picker and challenge lock maker, Trekmaster 30. If you haven't seen his stuff, but if you're watching me, I'm sure you've probably seen his already. All right. We've got a binder, I think 5. All right. Coming back out, I think feels like it might be 1. Yep, got a little click on 1. Another click. I don't know if that's all it wants. We'll find out. 2. Okay, going back in, I can't get under, I think it's 4 maybe. Alright, I have to use a shorter pick, little stub. Okay. Got some counter, I want to say it's 3. Alright, okay, now I got a slight turn on the core. I had that the first time earlier, but then I roasted it, so I mean, I started going into like 14 minutes or something, so I figured I'd just start over. Alright, got one way at the bottom in the back. Okay, I hit it and I got a little bit more of a turn. Now, this is about where I was when I roasted it last time, so Try to get something to work with me. Okay, I'm getting something. I want to say it's 3. But I don't know. Let me feel around a little more before I commit. Yep, got another little click in the back. I don't know if that's all I wanted. I'm gonna leave it for now. Come back out. Okay, yeah, so 3, I think it's 3. It's still giving me a little counter. I may give it all up for that one pin. Okay, I think I got it now. Alright, now it's just kind of, whoops, now it's just kind of dead. I'm going to go a little taller on the pick again, just slightly taller, another Sparrow's pick. Make sure ain't nothing missing up here. Two feels set. 4. Oh, there we go. Boom! I touched the pin in the back, and boom! It opened up. Beautiful. Okay. All right. All right. I'll take that all day long. Get that guy out of there. Nice. Good job, Bearsback. Curious to see what you got in this bad boy right here. All right. Put that over there. Make sure that doesn't fall down on me. Put some light on the subject. All right. I do have a key, so I can lock it. You see it's open. Lock it back up. Focus the camera. Yeah, I got a fancy camera. Takes beautiful, super clear, high def video, but it shuts off on me at about 16 minutes. So I didn't want to take a chance doing a challenge lock and have the camera shut off on me. I'd be kind of ticked off. So until I get that figured out, I'll be using this one. Kind of frustrating though. I mean, it's a really nice camera, got extra batteries, yada yada yada. You know, I was all excited about it. I gave it a test run this afternoon, and it just shut off. Of course, you know, I mean, I guess 16 minutes or so in, that's kind of long, but still, who wants to take a chance after you put all that effort in on a challenge lock to have the dang camera shut off on you? I'd be ticked. Alright, going in. Pins are on this side, looking good. Alright, set that down. Let's dump the pins right here. 1. Oh, number 2 is a 2-piece. Yep, 2 had 2 pieces in it. 3, 4, 5. Yep, I'm gonna see if I can't get that on camera. I mean a close up. Okay, yeah. This pin here is hollowed out, and that slid inside of it. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna lift the light up a little bit. It's a two-piece. I'll zoom in on these when I'm done, but nice job, Bearsback. A key pin in two pieces. I'm gonna lay that out like that so you can see it. I'll zoom in on these when I'm done. Nice job. The core. Core looks like, feels like threads in 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, and 4 is threaded, and it looks like 3 is undercut. And 5 and 6 feel like they're standard. So beautiful, nice work there, Bearsback. All right, some light up here. Tweezers. It is marked. You put a black mark on the front so I could tell which one's the front. All right, focus hopefully. Oh, shim. All right. Try to do these nice and, oh wow, okay. Yeah, it's like, what do they call that, teed off? I don't know if that may be a two-piece too. Let me get these out of here. I'm trying to do it better these days. Oh, I think I got a, oh, it might be the, yep, I think it's a two-piece in number 2. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. I think I'm just grabbing the spring. Okay. Sorry about that. I thought it was another piece of pin. Alright, moving on. 3 looks like a gnarly, real deep spool type. Am I focused? Yeah. Okay, that was 3. 4 is nicely serrated, like double serrated, it looks like. 5. Wow. 5's like a half-mile long. Looks like it may be reduced on the top. I'm going to keep going this way. 6 is, okay, 6 was seriously reduced on the top. I think that's it. Let me see. I'm going to try to do this a little professionally. The springs. 1 is a, what do you call it, copper. 2 is a steel. 3 is another copper. I think they're copper, right? 4 steel, I think. Well, it could be copper. Turn it around, go to 5. Copper. 6 was another copper. Come on, there we go. All right, in the core, this was the front. I don't feel, oh yeah I do, I think I do. Let me bend this a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. It feels like there's threading in 4, unless there's something in there. Yeah, it feels like 4 is threaded. So only one of them. It feels like only 4. All right. Zoom in on these pins over here. Again, that was from Bearsback. It's called Easy Pizzy. Thank you so much, Bearsback, for the creation you came up with. Here's the pins, a close-up. As you can see, what I was talking about earlier. Oh, was that a 2-piece? Yep, okay. So, in the upper chamber on 1, that was a 2-piece. Chamber number 2, the key pin was a 2-piece. I'm trying to look around the camera. I think that's a 1-piece. Looks like it. So yeah, beautiful. Well done. Thank you, Bearsback, and thank you all for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.